am Dr. Suman Pawar. I am an alumna of Kirodimal College, Delhi University. 2008 batch, I did my mathematics honors from Kirodimal College. After that, I went on to pursue my master's in mathematics from IIT Kanpur. And I completed my doctoral degree from Delhi University North Campus, Department of Mathematics. I am a faculty at EduSure and I take care of the mathematical economics part at EduSure. So we have built a course for mathematical method for economics for eco-honor students of Delhi University, which is divided into three parts: MME1, MME2, and MME3. MME1 is Introductory Mathematical Method for Economics. MME2 is Intermediate Mathematical Method for Economics. And MME3 is Advanced Mathematical Method for Economics. So in semester 1, we will be doing Introductory Mathematical Methods for Economics. So today I will be discussing how to crack this exam with minimal possible effort from our side. All right. So how should you study? How much you should study? Okay. See, the course is not this much. The course is not a lot. Okay. If you start from now, it is just mid of August. So if you dedicate 1.5 to 2 hours, even 1.5 hours is more than enough every day. Okay. You'll be fine. What you have to do, you have to follow the course in detail. You have to go through our lecture videos and you have to do a lot of previous year questions so that you understand what is the pattern of the examination. Most importantly, your foundations have to be really very strong so that you can ace MME2 and MME3 with flying colors, and even you can even crack an MA entrance examination without any more efforts after this. All right, so let's start. So first of all, I would like to discuss the course structure for MME1. First thing that we'll be discussing is the course. Okay, so these are the last minutes of our meeting, wherein what is the course, what to study, what are the readings has been discussed. All right, so you have an internal assessment of 30 marks, continuous assessment of 40 marks, and an end semester examination of 90 marks. Okay, and this is the syllabus that we should be discussing in detail. So your course is divided into 3 units. The first unit consists of preliminaries. The second is functions of one real variable. And the third is single variable optimization. Okay. So in preliminaries, you will be taught the basics of mathematics, logic and proof techniques, set and set operations, relations, functions, and their properties. And the reference and the readings are Sidester and Hammond, chapter 1. Then in the second unit, now second unit is a detailed unit. It consists a lot of chapters. The first chapter is graphs. So you have to study elementary types of functions. Okay. Quadratic, polynomial, power, exponential, logarithmic. Then you have to do sequences and series, discuss the convergence, algebraic properties and applications. Then you have to do continuous functions, characterization and the properties. Then you have to do differentiable function, characterization and properties. And then you have to do second and higher order derivatives. You will realize as economic students that it is very important to know graphs, elementary types of functions, continuity and differentiability, because eventually you'll be dealing with utility functions and their curves. So you will have to make analysis of those, and this unit will help you ace those. All right. Now in the third unit, you will be doing single variable optimization, which is nothing but maxima and minima of functions. So for example, you want to maximize the profit of your firm, or you want to minimize the cost. So you want to learn how to optimize functions. Okay, so you'll be dealing properties of convex functions, concave functions, calculus approach, geometric approach, algebraic approach, and the readings are Sidester and Hammond, chapter 9. Now we at EduSure have created a very nice course for MME1, wherein we have discussed each and everything written in all these 3 units in detail, followed by previous year questions. So I would like you to see what we have done in our portal. So I'll make you go through a tour of our student portal. So this is our student portal at EduSure, DU semester 1 introductory MME. Now, if you look at number 1, introduction to real number system, number 2, logic and proof techniques, sets and Venn diagrams, relations and functions. These 4 chapters, the first 4 chapters are dedicated to unit 1, creating a base in preliminaries. Okay. So what we have done, we have given you a lecture video. For example, the first lecture video is on number system. And after that, we have discussed the previous year questions related to them. Okay. Then we have logic and proof techniques, wherein we have given you lecture notes, followed by a lecture video and previous year questions. Similarly for sets and relations and functions. And you can see that in relations and functions, there have been so many PYQs. Okay. So it is very important. Then unit 2 is discussed via 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It is discussed in lot of details. The first word graphs that was written in unit 2, you can see that we have discussed approximately 6 types of graphs covering all graphs that are required for economic students. Okay. Then after graphs, we have done elementary types of functions. So we have done all 6 elementary functions written in your syllabus in detail. Then we have sequences and series discussed in detail once again. Continuity and differentiability discussed in detail. Continuity and differentiability applications, this is very important, discussed in detail. And then we have done single variable optimization. This is unit 3. So you can see that we have introduced what are stationary points. Then we have given examples. Then we have discussed global maxima and minima, then second derivative test, then convex functions, calculus approach for convexity and concavity, followed by previous year questions. So this is the entire structure of DU MME course offered by EduSure. Now we at EduSure will make sure that you study every day, you do previous year questions, your foundations are very strong. And in fact, this course will serve as a foundation for your upcoming semester courses, which are MME 2, that is intermediate MME, which is done in semester 2, and then advanced MME, which is done in semester 3. Any MA entrance examination which you will give will have mathematics. Okay. And if you have strong background in MME 1, 2, and 3, I'm sure you'll be able to ace the examination without any extra effort in mathematics. So I welcome you, and I, advise you to have a look at our portal. Please join us and have a demo portal. You can have the demo portal for a few days to have a real life experience of what we are offering. And I'm sure you'll benefit a lot from us. So I'll be very, very glad to teach you, because teaching is my passion. And therefore, here I am at EduSure, the one of the best in the industry, to offer you a good course in introductory MME. And we will ace it together. Thank you.